What do you think? You want it right at grade then, just about?
I
Would you
mean,
rather have it a little bit above grade, like so the cap is just poking out? Do you want it to be completely below grade?
I'd say completely below grade.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Not a problem.
My hope is I never need it.
Yeah. It's a good thing to have for sure.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
It's just. It's a little more difficult because it's crooked coming up there, but we'll just square it up as good as we can, and
Yeah.
it'll be below grade anyway.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's weird that it's crooked like that, but it is
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah, well, being
Probably
so
settled
high,
weird.
being that it's so high,
Yeah.
you know, it's probably gotten hit with everything.
Yeah,
under the
that's
sun.
also-
every
also
mow,
possible,
I'm sure
yeah.
every mow has hit it, right? You know, at least a few times.
Surprised you don't have a fancier tool to cut the cast iron.
Well, I do, but I have a cast iron snapper.
Mm-hmm.
I typically only like to use it when it's wide open
Gotcha.
and you know, like if you don't get a perfect cut.
Then you're kind of screwed, yeah.
Right, you know what I mean? So
Gotcha.
figured Sawzall's
Yeah, fair.
good because I think Sawzall is the most precise and gentlest
Okay.
of a cut. You could use a grinder too,
Yeah.
but it gives you a good clean cut. A lot of companies are making really good Sawzall blades these days.
Gotcha.
So most of the time, if you have a brand new blade,
Mm-hmm.
it just cuts right through
Oh,
it,
nice. Okay.
like normal.
You got a
time.
preferred brand?
So I always preferred the Lennox
Okay.
brand.
Yeah.
They make a Sawzall blade called the Laser CT, and it's made for cutting cast iron. It has different teeth on it. It's a terrible blade for PVC, as you can see. That
Yeah.
the last cut wasn't as fast as
Yeah.
a normal metal blade would, but
Okay.
this is the Milwaukee.
Okay.
They don't carry Lennox at Ferguson, so
Gotcha.
you know, and I used to be able to find them at Lowe's, but now they're hit or miss with them as well too.
Gotcha.
So, but the Milwaukee's work great as well too.
Okay.
You know, I'd say over the last like 5 years, Sawzall blade technology has definitely improved drastically,
Interesting.
and they have just about a blade to cut just about anything these days.
Nice. Yeah, I'm used to cheap blades, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, well, you know, they're almost like a one and done kind of thing, but
Gotcha.
and they're, you know, $20 a piece or so, but you know, if it saves you from sitting down there for
Yeah, that's true.
45 minutes, you know,
Yeah.
it's a good thing. So if I cut it about there, it's going to be about an inch below grade.
Yeah, that sounds perfect.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, you'll be able to poke around with something and find it if
Yeah.
you need to, and it is nice to have, for sure, if there ever is an issue, but definitely hope to never have to use it.
Yeah, that's the hope.
Most of the time you probably won't, but you never know. Oh yeah, start out with a good one of those. Yeah, you would never get a cut like that
Yeah.
with with a snapper.
Nice.
That is that. Do you want that cast to scrap that?
Sure, why not?
Alrighty.
One less thing you have to deal with too.
Yeah, no worries, whatever. I just remember being at your house. I think it looked like you had some stuff separated, like it was going
Oh
to.
yeah, I take scrap metal, so
Yeah.
it's a must.
Yeah, I just end up collecting so much that it's like,
Yeah.
why not make
Yeah.
a few extra bucks?
Yeah, I mean, especially when, or just giving it away, essentially.
Yeah.
Too. Right out of wherever.
Yeah.
You know, dirt, whatever.
Yeah.